What is the most interesting thing in the world? Is the tongue the strongest muscle? 1. Some think the tongue is the strongest muscle in the human body, but it's difficult to find any definition of strength that would indicate this. There is no one way to measure strength, and the tongue consists of 8 muscles, not 1. 2. It is true that the tongue does not get tired and is constantly working. It is essential to mixing food in the mouth. It helps us form letters for verbal language. The tongue contains lingual tonsils that filter germs. Even when a person sleeps, the tongue is constantly pushing saliva down the throat. The tongue is strong and important, but not the strongest muscle. 3. Why does urine glow under a black light? You can use a black light to detect body fluids. It's actually a good way to look for pet urine or make sure a bathroom or hotel room is really clean. Cat urine, in particular, glows very brightly under ultraviolet light. Urine glows under a black light primarily because it contains the element phosphorus. Phosphorus glows yellowish-green in the presence of oxygen, with or without black light, but the light imparts additional energy that make the chemoluminescence easier to see. Urine also contains broken-down blood proteins that glow under a black light. 4. Starfish has no brain. Starfish have no brain, and it also doesn't have ganglia that would help it to coordinate its movements. The nervous system of the starfish is located in the nerve ring around its mouth, from which a radial nerve branches off and extends to each arm. 5. Polar bears are left-handed or not? Polar bears are not left-handed. It's a common misconception that polar bears use their left paw to do most things, but research has shown they use both equally. 6. Humans and dolphins are the only species that have sex for pleasure. It is often assumed that animals do not have sex for pleasure, or, alternatively, that humans, pigs, bonobos and perhaps dolphins and 1 or 2 more species of primates are the only species that do. In France, it is legal to marry a dead person. Posthumous marriage became legal in France by Article 171 of the Civil Code, which states, "The President of the Republic may, for serious reasons, authorize the solemnization of marriage if one of the spouses died after completion of official formalities marking it unequivocal consent."